We just did a major upgrade to Florida Overbids, and I just wanted to make a quick video showing the new features and what you can expect behind the scenes. First of all, as usual, Florida Overbids is free for any clients of Tax Auction Surplus or Surplus Database. So for you, you have access to this complete website. But for any new clients who want to join just particular counties, you can do so by first joining us the free level. And then after you join the free level, you would go to Add County Courses. And here you can purchase each county separately. And once you've purchased that county, you go into the training course here. Now I'm going to use Alachua County training course to show you the changes that we've made. So a lot will still look familiar to you. On the county information and website section, we have 3 tabs here. The county websites gives you the links to each of the websites for Alachua County specifically that you need for the tax deed surplus. And then the county website description, it just gives you a description of what all of these websites are used for, when you would use them. And then the auction information tab just gives you information and screenshots about the auction that county holds, either online or in person. And then the next section is the step-by-step actions to take for tax deed surplus asset recovery. Now keep in mind that each county page, these are going to be different. The steps, a lot of the steps are the same, but once you get to step 8, you have the Alachua County surplus claim form. And step 9, it tells you where to submit your claim package, and it gives you the contact information if you need to contact the county. And then in the surplus list property information reports and Lien-Research section, we have the surplus lists from the county itself, because some of them do upload their own lists, or if they don't, we have a video showing you how you can, create your own list from that county. And then the surplus lists from us, being on Tax Auction Surplus or Surplus Database. And then on the Property Information Reports tab, you have a link to open up the repository online to get the property information reports for just Alachua County here. Or if you need to do it yourself, such as when the surplus is under $5,000, because we don't obtain the property information reports if the surplus is under $5,000, but you can, and we show you how to do so here. Or if you want to get the property information report before the auction happens, this will show you how to do that. And then here we have a link to a video that will show you how to locate all the tax deed documents needed for this county specifically. And then the next section is the surplus list for this county only. If it's a county where we collect and create the surplus records, then we will have a table on here with those surplus records. And every 2 months, we're going to clear these out to make room for the new ones. So it's important, if you're getting them from this page, that you do so in a timely manner. And you can click these plus signs to see all of the information for each record. And you can click Excel to download this table to an Excel spreadsheet. Now, if you're on taxauctionsurplus.com or surplusdatabase.com, this is unnecessary. We send you the lists every day. And then in the resources section, here's one new item that we have. Create a claim package and document checklist. If you take the search ID of any record and put it in here, and I'm going to do it to show you. Press enter, and this will give you 4 choices, because it depends on the route you're going to take with your client. An assignment of interest as an individual or as a business, or a contingency agreement and power of attorney. It depends on which route you're going to take. So if you click on one of these, it gives you the owner information, the property information, the auction information, your document checklist, and like where it says claim form, it is linked directly to the this Alachua County claim form, and where you would mail the package and to contact the county if you need. And if you come up here to the PDF icon and click it, it will generate a PDF that you can print out physically on your printer if you would like. And then back to the resources section, we of course have the auction calendars and all the links to each state's business registration website. In case the property owner is a business, you can find out who is the person who owns that business. Then we have the skip trace guide that you can download, the routes that you would take with your client, and you can download this document that explains the routes in more depth. We've got the example client forms for you, the first contact forms, how to deal with older records when you're working with them to find out, if there's been a claim made already or if there's surplus still available. We have a document along with videos showing you how to do that. And then these documents, what each county supplies online and where to locate the documents that you need, which of course we also have the video that I showed you previously that shows you how to locate those documents. And then down here is just some recommendations, and these two sections, the resources and recommendations, will probably be added to as we go along and find more resources for you. And then down here is the Q&A area for each county. You would ask your questions here, but only about this specific county.